Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining me today on this live stream video for the property here on Cholmeley Road. So it is a one bed top floor apartment. I'm just going to turn around so you can have an idea of the area. So just at the end of the road here is Cemetery Junction with regular buses into the town centre, and then down that way, down towards the end, is the River Kennet, and that's a lovely walk into Reading town and beyond. But I'm bringing you this home here. So this was a one family home. It's been split many moons ago, and I'm bringing you the top floor. So with this being an interactive and live stream, feel free to ask questions as I'm going round, and I will do my best to answer. You can also request your private viewings, and we'll get you booked in. So with your own front door, ring camera in the front, which would remain. We're then heading on up. So on the right hand side is the bedroom, and it is a lovely large, here we are, lovely large double bedroom, double glazed windows as well, all sealed units, really good quality. And then it's got a built-in cupboard just there as well, lovely high ceiling, and then you've got an attic space as well. I love the feature fireplace in there. So that's if you turn right at the top of the stairs. If you turn left, it takes you to your reception room. And again, really good size. Here you've got this lovely big window to let lots and lots of light in as well. And then again, you've got a cupboard just in the corner there. Okay. And again, it's the height of the ceiling. Very typical for being a Victorian. You've got nice high ceilings, but then we've coming on through into your kitchen. So this is a newer kitchen as well. So it's all pretty new. We've got the fridge freezer there, space for a dishwasher, composite sink, electric hob, and there's space there for your microwave oven, and then your built-in oven just here as well. Nice sized window. Again, it's nice and bright, and it's a good spacious room. You don't feel claustrophobic in here. It's lovely and spacious. I really do like the colour scheme as well. And then at the very end, we have your bathroom. So all in there, and then you've got extractor fan and window as well, so shouldn't have any issues, any damp, mold, anything like that. So let's have a look. I think here we are. So the boiler is in this cupboard, just to answer your question there. So let me just open that up for you. So there's your boiler. Okay, nice a Worcester combi. It's a gas combi boiler, so really efficient. So it is gas radiators, gas central heating. There's the rad there to give you an idea. So it's a gas rad heating, so it's really good quality in there, and it's a lovely home. Unfortunately, we're at the end of the tour. It is a one bed apartment, so fantastic first property, or as an investment, it would be a really popular one to rent out based on how close you are to Reading town centre. But feel free, please keep the questions coming in. Do get in touch with ourselves. I really look forward to seeing you on the next one, and I want to thank you again. Take care.